boys. Hey, Huckleberry. Hello, Huckleberry. What you doing, Zip? Huh? Knox. Come here, buddy. Yes, I know. I'm playing pretty hard. Zipper.
Riley that we have. Riley. So hopefully the camera will get past him.
Zip. What's the matter? What's the matter, Zip? Huh? What's the matter, Zip? Dudley. Broccoli. My boy. My handsome man. Oh, you're such a sweet boy. Harry! Harrison! I really want to go see those guys out there. Yeah, I know. We can't go play with them though. They're not our group. Nope, not our group. Oh, Brock, what are you doing? You're sitting there like a handsome good boy. Hello, Knox. Guys, exhausted or just soaking up the sun? Huh? There he is. There's my other good boy. Yeah. My handsome man. My handsome man. Yes, I see you. Yes, I see you. Good boy. How are you, good boy? Yeah, Knox loves everybody. Whoop. Careful, you two. Come on. Whoop, whoop. Don't trip me. Easy. Oh, Knox. Oh, really? Thought you get down, please. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I love you. I do. Yes, I love you.